Hi mga kabay-kabay, naghanap ng single detached unit property ready for occupancy at complete finish turnover. Available yan here in Las Marinas, Cavite. This is Elira model. And ito nga po pala ay corner unit with a lot area of 159 square meters and floor area of 129 square meters. So as you can see po, ang ating property is located lamang here at the clubhouse area and the chapel area. So mga kabayan, dito tayo ngayon sa ating carport area. Dito sa ating carport, kaya nito mag-accommodate ng dalawang sasakyan. Covered po ang ating carport area and meron tayo ditong landscape na tile sa ating flooring. Meron tayo ditong setback at access papunta sa ating perimeter area. So as I have said mga kabayo, itong property natin is a corner unit. So tara check natin ang ating property line dito sa ating left side. So as you can see, meron tayo ditong garden area and on this area naman, meron tayong lanay area. So meron tayong door access papunta sa ating dining area. So meron tayo dito another setback sa ating property. Tuloy kayo mga kabahay. So ito nga pala ang ating living area dito sa ating Elira model. So as you can see, ito po ay dress-up unit. Again, this property po is pwede nyo i-avail with furnitures or without. So meron tayong separate computation for your choice. So as you can see mga kabahay, dito sa ating dining area, it can accommodate a 6-seater table. And ito po yung ating access papunta sa ating lanay area. Let's go mga kabahay sa ating lanay area. On this side mga kabahay, meron tayong ground floor, toilet, and bath. Ito naman ang ating very spacious na kitchen area mga kabahay. So as you can see, meron tayong mga built-in cabinets na included upon turnover. And may access tayo dito papunta sa ating laundry area and service area. So mga kabahay, ang ating staircase ay made of concrete and tiles. Meron tayong metal railings, high ceiling, meron tayo ditong fixed window for natural lighting. And of course, meron tayo ditong mahabang hallway sa ating second floor before tayo mag-boom sa ating mga bedrooms. We have here common toilet and bath. Complete pictures din po ito upon turnover. Dito sa second floor mga kabahay, it can accommodate 4 of total bedrooms. And then this is the bedroom number 1. So as you can see, it can accommodate a double-sized bed. Meron tayong provision for window type aircon. May windows tayo dito. And meron din tayo ditong built-in cabinet sa upon turnover. This is the bedroom number 2. So as you can see dito sa bedroom number 2, meron din tayo ditong sliding window. And may access tayo papunta sa ating balcony. Bedroom number 3. So as you can see mga kabahay, same as others bedroom, you can accommodate a single to double size bed. Meron tayong built-in cabinets and meron tayong malaking window dito. And good thing dito sa ating bedroom number 3, meron din tayong access papunta sa ating balcony. So this is the master's bedroom here at the second floor. So as you can see dito sa ating master's bedroom, mas malaki po ito compared to bedrooms 1 to 3. It can accommodate up to queen size bed. Meron tayong built-in cabinet and vanity area. Meron tayong mga windows sa ating side area. And ang good thing pa dito, meron tayong own toilet and bath dito sa master's bedroom. So this is the master's toilet and bath here at the master's bedroom. Check natin mga kabayan ang ating balcony area. So dito sa ating master's bedroom, meron tayong sariling access papunta sa ating balcony area. And ang good thing pa dito, ito po yung isang connecting area papunta sa ating bedroom number 2. If you want to view this property mga kabahay, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. I am Von Charlie Tapawan of Exusio Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching mga kabahay. DM now!